Welcome to Chopstick Travel. I'm Luke Martin and today I'm in Taiwan. I am very excited to bring you a special episode today. So I'm here to learn about the indigenous culture of Taiwan's tribes. Specifically, I'll be featuring the Amis today. They are the largest by number tribe here in Taiwan. Learn about their culture, taste their cuisine, and experience the beauty of Taiwan's east coast. Let's go learn about the Amis. I'm here at a place called Mataian. This is an ecological wetland reserve and a place where you can come to experience the culture of the Amis. So what I'm going to be doing this morning is learning about the traditional fishing technique of the Amis. When the Amis first came to this area, they found that the rivers were abundant with fish and shrimp. And what they over time developed is this here, which is called palakaw. It's basically a 3-layered trap. The bottom is bamboo, so bamboo hollowed out. The middle is sticks, and then the top is leaves. And then the shrimp and the different fish start to kind of hide within the palakaw, the trap. And then they can just simply pull it out and they catch the fish. So it's quite an effective method, and here at Mataian you can actually try it out for yourself. So we're gonna get into the water and see. Okay, so we're in the water. The palakaw is set up in here, so we're gonna remove the leaves here first. Are these palm leaves?
Yeah, palm tree.
Okay. And underneath us, we should have some fish.
Yeah, easy.
The teacher just gave me a net, so we're gonna start to remove them, and hopefully we're gonna catch something. Bunch of branches, kind of bang it. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see there's quite a few little shrimp in there. So that's how you do it. Now let's try the bamboo. He's plugged both sides with his hands in case there's something inside, and oh yeah, emptied it into the net. Looks like there's it's just some tiny little fish in there. You let the fish settle within the bamboo, they get comfortable in there, plug it, and then you use this net and kind of empty them out. Oh, sounds like there's a big fish in here on the other side. Oh, look at this. Oh wow, so there's the big tilapia in there. That is super cool. So they just get really comfy inside the bamboo and you can drop them into the net. Wow. Yep, nothing big in there. So that's the key. And basically they would lay these out in the river, tons of them, as many as they want, and then just come back in the morning or the next day and empty them all out and hope for the best. Another important fact is that the water is flowing, so it needs to be set inside of a river that is flowing. Otherwise the little shrimp and the fish, they won't settle. They'll keep moving until they find flowing water, and it keeps it nice and clean. We're going to be preparing an Amis hot pot, but it's not your typical hot pot. They're doing it in a really unique way here. So they're actually gonna heat these rocks up to an extremely high temperature right in the fire, and then use that to cook the hot pot. So the hot pot is right here. This one is fish with some ginger, and you can see it's served in this bamboo. But sometimes they'll also use the beetle leaf, which is this right here. So they're gonna take the rocks, heat them up in the fire to extremely high temperature, put them into the hot pot and let that actually cook the fish like that. And then another one of the ingredients that Amis are famous for is their wild veggies. This is watercress right from that river that we just used the palakaw in. You can see that this is just so hot. Give it a little bit of a rinse before we put it in the hot pot, and then just watch it. It instantly boils the hot pot. Rocks directly in there, and that's gonna cook the fish. Wow, that is a seriously hot rock. Sitting down to eat now, and besides the hot pot, we have a spread of other foods here. Purple rice, some veggies here. This is wild boar, some fried shrimp, and then grilled tilapia salted on the outside. But I am here to try this, the hot pot, and served in the bamboo, such a unique dish. Big chunks of tilapia in there. Oh, the fish is really soft. I'm gonna try some of the famous wild veggies the Amis are known for. Delicious. I've just made a discovery in the hot pot. They've actually left one of the rocks inside of there, and it's absolutely delicious too. What a delicious meal. And as you can see, Amis culture and nature are very intertwined. It's a very important part of their culture to respect nature. Now I'm going to be heading south to take you to another part of the island and show you more about the Amis cultures and traditions. Agriculture is an extremely important part of Amis culture. Traditionally, the focus crop was millet, but in recent times, it's become more popular to grow rice. So along the East Rift Valley here in Taiwan, you'll find tons of rice paddy fields like this one here. Right now, the rice is just about going to get golden yellow, and then it will be ready for harvest. There's even an Amis harvest festival dedicated to the rice harvest. Of course, it's a staple food for the Amis, but you can also make another interesting product with rice, which I'm gonna go show you right now, and that is rice wine. So I'm here at Bayang restaurant with Bayang herself, and she is an Amis. She's going to teach me the traditional way of making rice wine, recipe handed down for generations. So we've got just some pounded rice. So this is a special water that's got 9 different herbs, wild herbs, that she's mixing in with the crushed rice. So we're just trying to get the consistency exactly right so we can make it into one of these little balls right here. Trying to get it like, yeah, like the size of a ping pong ball.
Okay.
Yeah? So these little balls are sat for 3 days, and then it will be mixed with sticky rice, and then you can actually start to make the rice wine. This is what you're going to have after 3 days of it sitting and fermenting. So it's actually started to kind of develop a little bit of a fungus. So now we're gonna break it down again, back into its original form. So this is the Amis traditional way of making the yeast. Okay, we gotta check the temperature to make sure that it's exactly right. It needs to be between 35 and 45 degrees, otherwise it could destroy the yeast. So I think it's a little bit too hot. There we go. Okay, temperature is correct. In goes the yeast. So is that finished? That's the whole process? After this, we just wait?
Thanks.
Okay. Besides those herbs that we used, it's just rice and water to make the rice wine. And the concentration of alcohol after fermenting will be about between 7 to 9%. So it's almost like a strong beer. Ganbei.
Ganbei.
Oh, it's delicious. That's just the rice and those herbs that she added. It's very, very good. Better than I was expecting.
Ganbei.
this is actually Bayang's mother and father. We just watched their performance. It's absolutely beautiful. And they usually have the young children, but today's a school day. So now I think we're gonna hear some singing now. 谢谢你。
谢谢。
So we're just drinking a little bit of mijo together, the rice wine, and that is how you do a traditional toast. I am so embarrassed that the average age of this group is 75 and they dance way better than I do. I'm only 28 years old. Maybe I need a little bit more of this before I can dance better.
They end the show.
Okay. Wow, that was fun. Oh, wow. All right, what a way to end the day of experiencing the Amis culture. Big thank you to you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified when I post the next video. See you guys. Bye.